Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted source for all things home and finance. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches us all, improving your credit report. A healthy credit report is a key to a host of opportunities, from securing that dream home to getting a loan at a favorable interest rate. It's the silent ally that works for you, even when you're not looking. In the coming segments, we'll unravel the mysteries of credit reports and share proven strategies to enhance your score. We'll explore the ins and outs of understanding your credit report, why timely bill payment matters, and the importance of reducing debt. We'll also discuss building a long credit history and how it influences your overall score. The knowledge you'll gain here today could open doors you have only imagined. So buckle up and get ready for a transformative journey. Stick around to learn the top ways to improve your credit report. This could change your financial life. First off, it's essential to understand what a credit report is and why it matters. A credit report, to put it simply, is a detailed record of your credit history. This isn't just about credit cards, but includes all forms of credit such as mortgages, car loans, and personal loans. The credit report consists of several key components. The first is your personal information, your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Then, there's the credit information, which includes all your current and past credit accounts, the type of account, your credit limit or loan amount, account balance, and payment history. The third component is public record information, such as bankruptcies, tax liens, or court judgments. Lastly, it contains a list of entities that have recently requested to view your credit report, also known as inquiries. But why is a credit report so vital? Well, it's the financial report card that lenders, insurers, landlords, and even some employers use to assess your creditworthiness. It's a tool that helps them decide whether to extend credit, offer a job, or rent a property to you. And the terms of those offers, like the interest rate on a loan, are often decided based on the information in your credit report. The credit report also plays a pivotal role in the calculation of your credit score. The credit score, a 3-digit number, is a numerical representation of the information in your credit report. It's a quick way for lenders to assess your risk as a borrower. A high credit score can open doors to favorable interest rates and loan terms, while a low score can make it challenging to secure credit. So whether you're looking to buy a house, finance a car, or even land a job, your credit report can significantly impact these life-changing decisions. That's why understanding your credit report is not just important, it's essential. Now that we understand the importance of credit reports, let's delve into how to improve them. To start improving your credit report, you first need to know where you stand. So, how do you get your hands on your credit report? It's easier than you think. In the United States, you're entitled to one free credit report every 12 months from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can request these reports through the official website, annualcreditreport.com. But getting your report is only half the battle. Once you have it, you need to review it meticulously. Look out for any errors or discrepancies. These could be anything from a wrongly listed late payment to a credit line you never opened. If you find any errors, don't panic. You can dispute them directly with the credit bureau. Remember, even small errors can have a big impact on your credit score. Once you have your report in hand and have checked it for errors, it's time to start improving it. One of the simplest ways to improve your credit report is by paying your bills on time. It's almost too easy to overlook, but late payments can cast a long shadow on your credit history. Just one late payment can cause a significant drop in your credit score, and the blemish can stick around for up to 7 years. The longer a bill goes unpaid, the worse the impact on your credit report. So, how can you make sure you're always on time with your payments? One effective strategy is setting up automatic payments. This way, your bills get paid without you needing to remember the due dates. Another tip is to keep a calendar of all your bill due dates so you can visually track when payments are due. Remember, consistency is key. The more you pay your bills on time, the better your credit history will look. Timely bill payment can significantly boost your credit report. Reducing the amount of debt you owe is another effective way to improve your credit report. It's like taking a heavy backpack off after a long hike. You feel lighter, move easier, and breathe freely. But how do you go about reducing your debt? Well, there are a few strategies you can use. One of the most straightforward ways is to make more than the minimum payment. You see, when you only pay the minimum amount due, you're mostly just covering the interest and not making much progress on the actual debt. It's It's like trying to empty the ocean with a teaspoon. By paying more than the minimum amount, even if it's just a little bit more, you'll chip away at your debt faster. Now, while you're working on reducing your existing debt, it's crucial to avoid taking on new debt. Think of it as trying to bail out a boat with a hole in it. You can't get dry if you're letting in more water. So, before you consider that shiny new credit card or that tempting loan, remember your goal to reduce your debt. Lastly, prioritize your high-interest debt. Like a ticking time bomb, these debts cost you more the longer they remain unpaid. By focusing on these debts first, you'll save money in the long run. It's the financial equivalent of stopping the biggest leak first when your boat is taking on water. So, let's recap. To reduce your debt, make more than the minimum payment, avoid new debt, and focus on high-interest debt. It may seem like a steep mountain to climb, but remember, every journey begins with a single step, and every dollar you pay off is a step closer to a healthier credit report. Reducing your debt is a surefire way to improve your credit report. It's not just about freeing yourself from financial burden, but it's also about building a future where your credit works for you, not against you. So take that first step today and start your journey towards a better credit report. Building a long credit history can also work in your favor. You see, the length of your credit history plays a significant role in determining your credit score. It's like a track record of how well you've managed your finances over time. The longer your history of responsible borrowing, the better your score will be. But how do you build a long credit history? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Keep your oldest credit card open, even if you're not using it frequently. This is because closing an old credit account can significantly reduce the average age of your credit history. Also, try to maintain a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, mortgages, and auto loans. This shows that you can handle different types of credit responsibly. Remember, consistency is key. Regular, on-time payments, coupled with responsible credit use, will help you build a robust credit history over time. A long credit history will signal to lenders that you are a reliable borrower. We've covered a lot of ground today on improving your credit report. Let's take a moment to look back at the key points we've discussed. To begin with, we dived into the complex world of credit reports, unraveled its intricacies, and highlighted the importance of understanding your credit report. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to improve your financial standing. Next, we shed light on the importance of checking your credit report regularly. This is a crucial step in identifying any discrepancies or errors that may negatively impact your credit score. It is always better to catch these early and make the necessary corrections. We then moved on to the importance of paying bills on time. This seemingly small habit can have a significant impact on your credit report. Timely payments reflect your reliability and creditworthiness, which are key factors that lenders look at when deciding whether to grant you credit or not. Our next point of discussion was reducing debt. We emphasized the benefits of chipping away at your debt load, not just for your credit report, but also for your overall financial health. Remember, less debt means more financial freedom. Finally, we talked about building a long credit history. A long and consistent history of credit usage can work wonders for your credit score. It shows lenders that you are capable of managing credit responsibly over time. In conclusion, improving your credit report is a journey, not a destination. It requires consistent effort, smart decisions, and a good understanding of how credit works. But the payoff is worth it. A better credit report can open up new opportunities, from securing lower interest rates on loans to even helping you land that dream job. Thank you for joining us today at HouseLux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Here's to improving your credit report and ultimately your financial health.